let me introduce you to Pecorino, the first salt cheese from the Mandra di Mezzo dairy. Hello, friends of Sicilian Food Shop! We are talking about a cheese that is very popular in Sicily, with different characteristics from region to region. Pecorino first salt gets its name from the process. From the time that determines the salting, it becomes first salt after just 1 day in brine, and it is already ready to eat. Produced and sold in sizes of 500 grams, 750 grams, and 1 kilogram. Let's taste it right away, I can't wait. Wow, it's delicious. I can't stop. A distinctly unique, genuine, and good taste. You can taste the true flavor of sheep, persistent and characteristic, slightly savory on the outside and sweet on the inside, leaving a delightful aftertaste in the mouth. These unique characteristics determine its genuine quality and originality. What makes a difference is the taste it imparts. Every single process of artisanal production, from the sheep grazing freely on the adjacent hills to the traditional raw milk processing, freshly milked until it reaches the brine using the famous sea salt from Marsala, giving this cheese a unique, typical, and genuine flavor. What else can I say? It is absolutely a must-try, because it is a cheese that respects the true typical Sicilian flavor. Only by tasting it can you truly appreciate its authentic flavor and great value. Buy it now and taste it. Below, you will find the link. This first salt from the Mandra di Mezzo dairy, according to our tasting evaluation, confirmed by hundreds of satisfied customers, has received 5 golden stars, and it ranks as one of the best sheep cheeses you can find throughout the entire territory of the Valle del Belice. Our tasting team guarantees it. Skeptical? I challenge you to find better. Taste it, and then let me know. You won't regret it. To purchase this product exclusively online, click the link below. We ship throughout Europe. Kisses, kisses, see you soon.